What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your APM6 speakers to your audio interface. So another way we can use these speakers with our computer is by setting them up to our audio interface, so that this way if you're a music producer or audio engineer, you can have your interface set up to these speakers for your mixes, for your recordings, etc. So to do this, we're going to be using the left and right combo jack inputs on the back of our main speaker here. And because the interface we're using today has 1/4 inch outputs, we're going to be using these 1/4 inch cables here to connect our interface to our speakers. But if you have XLR outputs on your interface, you're going to follow these same exact steps, except you're going to be using XLR cables. So we're going to take one end of our cables here and plug them into the left and right outputs of our interface. Then we're going to take the other ends and plug them into the left and right inputs on the back of our speaker. And you just want to keep track of which cable is coming from the left output and which cable is coming from the right output and match them to the speaker. So I'll take the cable coming from the right output of the interface and plug it into the right input of the speaker. Then I'll take the cable that's coming from the left output of the interface and go into the left input of the speaker. From here, we're going to go into the sound settings of our computer and switch the input and output to the interface. And you'll also want to check the sound settings of your DAW and switch the inputs and outputs to the interface. So for example, I'm using the Rockville Mini interface for today, so I'll want to be sure to set the inputs and outputs to the Rockville Mini for the sound settings of my computer and the sound settings for my DAW. So once that's all set, we're going to raise the volume knob on the back of our speaker. We're going to make sure that the volume on our laptop or computer is set to a good level as well. And don't forget, you can use the bass and treble controls to fine-tune the sound coming out of the speakers. We'll also want to make sure to raise the main mix knob here on our interface. So now that we're all set, let's go ahead and hear how it sounds. Oh yeah, sounds awesome. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your APM6 speakers to your audio interface. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.